Welcome to June Homes 20017, a gorgeous student haven in the heart of Washington, D.C. Choose from charming en-suites and sweet non-ensuites, decked with a cozy bed for restful sleeps, the ideal study nook for midnight cramming sessions, and tons of storage. Breeze through laundry with free in-home facilities, and let the dishwasher tackle piles of used utensils for you. Whip up delicious meals in the fully equipped kitchen, then enjoy them with friends in the dining area. For added convenience, there's air conditioning to keep you cool and speedy Wi-Fi available so you can get through assignments seamlessly and unlock a world of entertainment. Plus, there's street parking so your wheels have a home too. Get from bed to campus in mere minutes when Trinity Washington University and Howard University are just a short drive away. For seamless transit around the city, hop on a bus from 12th Street Northeast and Michigan Avenue Northeast, or catch the subway from Brooklyn CUA and Fort Totten stations. So, hurry and grab your spot at June Homes 20017 Washington, D.C., now with amberstudent.com.